What's up, Buttercups? Hope you guys are having the most golden day on planet Earth ever. God, it's so sunny. But we are continuing with the build series of the Datsun today. And I'm sure you guys saw the previous video of me destroying the front bumper. Or yeah, the front splitter when I jammed or hit something. But in this video we're not going to be focusing on that. And if you guys look at the video too, the bumper or the front part still looks good. That's because I filmed this video out of order. I forgot to film the intro for this next video. It doesn't make sense, but just watch it. Don't pay attention to the front because it still looks good in this video. So, but that's not how it looks as I'm looking at it now. So what we're going to be doing in this video is we're going to be installing the golden side skirts for the car. We're going to be fabricating it from sheet metal and aluminum. I know I usually say aluminum, but being in America too long, it's something to say aluminum. It sounds so fancy, aluminum. But anyway, we're going to be constructing the front boys, the side skirts out of aluminum. In case you don't know, I'll show you what side skirts are. They're pretty much side boys that are supposed to help with Aero, but to me they just look really cool. So we're going to be doing that. Never done any of this before, but it's going to be a lot of fun and it's going to be a lot of learning. With that, let's get started. I've talked too much.
And you're not listening. It is your choice to make a little mockery. It won't do.
You join me and hey Alexa, pause. Hey Alexa, pause. Sweet, awesome. So you join me. I'm recording with my phone, but I just constructed these guys. They are pieces. They're side pieces for the side splitter because I am working on that right now. So it's gonna go kind of like that. Oh, I'm so excited. It's gonna look so sick. But yeah, so far that's how far I've gone. And I've also made, is that the right one? Yes, this is the right one. So this is gonna go like right here. Boom. And I just made, they were actually not too bad to make. Oh shoot, I need to chop off that guy right there. But yeah, you guys can see him. He's my finger. I need to chop him off and then I'll drill holes and we should be good. Yeah. And for this one, what I did was I got some aluminum rod, like a one inch until it was like an L shape, until I drilled into the pinch welds of the car. And then what I also did was I'll show you guys, I haven't installed the second one yet, so I'm gonna show you guys that one. Where is it? Oh, it's right there. Sweet. And sorry I haven't been filming. It's just been yeah, it's just been so awesome. But yeah, so I drilled into, there's a lot of holes, like 10 holes, and this is the aluminum piece that I got. So it's really light. It's insane how light that thing is. I'm gonna take that off. My primer is over there, and I kind of lined it up, and so it's gonna kind of go like that, so it'll help, because for this one I didn't want to do any welding, so I just wanted to do fabrication just in case I want to take it off if I don't need it for some reason. But I also think it looks cool. Like, just look at the side profile right now. Oh, it looks amazing. Okay, yep, I'll update you guys whenever I have something else doing. Yeah.
A few inches later.
And just like that, it is pretty much done. Oh, it looks so good. I mean, I'm probably still gonna do some mods to that and maybe make a hole inside, but yeah, just to give some more aesthetic Italianness. But yes. Yeah, oh my god, it looks so cool. They're on jack stands now, so it doesn't look ideal, but come to this side. And this is a little bit of the, yeah, there's a little bit of surface rust forming because I left it outside in the moisture. I'll take care of that later. But yeah, this is what I was talking about, kind of like sliding, because I've seen some designs that look like kind of like that. So I'm gonna like make a hole there and try to like put something inside if I have time. But yeah, this is what it's hopefully going to look like. Dang, I'm so excited. Oh, and the way it just ties in with the whole car is like this. Until next, and yeah, so I didn't do any welding, or I haven't done any welding yet. I might do some welding to that guy later, but yeah, so far so good. Now it's time for the rear. I'm actually almost done with this car. Oh, majority of the work was just this front terribleness that it's called the bumper and splitter, and I still need to get splitter rods, maybe put in this guy and extend it down. Yeah, just so, because the thing is kind of, I mean, it's not tightened down, so it's gonna flop, but I just want it to be as solid as possible. And that is pretty much it, guys. It just looks so good. Oh my god, it looks amazing. But with that said, yeah, the next video I think we're gonna start working on the rear spoiler, because I'm so excited. That's probably one of the most excited that I'm going to, yeah, because I'm going to construct that from complete scratch. So yeah, with that said, hope you guys have an amazingly golden rest of the day. If you guys have any plans that also you want to see on the Datsun, or any other additions that I might be forgetting, let me know. But now it doesn't even look like a Datsun anymore. it just looks like a completely different car. But yeah, when the spoiler is done, I'm so excited. And then of course, after everything is done, we're gonna get to paint the car, hopefully. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys have a golden rest of the day. I will see you guys on the next golden drive. Almost forgot, if you haven't seen the previous video, go watch it. If you haven't watched the Datsun series video of me building the Datsun, also go watch it. Like and subscribe if you like this video. Subscribe to the golden drive for more videos like this, and I'll catch you guys later. God, Los Angeles is too hot. Ugh.
Slow down, slow down, slow down.